dahil may pagka farmhouse vibe ang property nito. You might be thinking, malapit kaya ito sa marketplace and hospitals? Magandang umaga, tanghali at gabi sa inyong lahat, sa mga sumusubaybay at followers dito sa aming YouTube channel. Muli nandito naman tayo sa isang pinakamagandang property na aming papakita sa inyo. Dito yan sa Mendez, Cavite. So, dahil may pagka farmhouse vibe ang property nito, you might be thinking, malapit kaya ito sa marketplace and hospitals? Yes, malapit po. And it is just 10 minutes away from Tagaytay. So wag na natin patagalin. Simulan na natin to. Tara! I will start here in front of the house. So pagpasok niyo pa lang po ng bahay, makikita ang sasalubong na po agad sa inyo yung malalaking puno like pine trees, araucaria trees, and greeneries. So ganun po ka ganda ang tanawin dito. So relaxing, right? Pasok po tayo ng bahay. So this is an open concept house. Pagpasok nyo, makikita nyo yung space. Nandito po ang living room with air condition. And go straight to the dining area. Let's just first check this master's bedroom. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa master's bedroom, which I think has the size of mga more or less mga 25 square meter. And then it has walk-in closet and toilet and bath. This is the kitchen area where it has an access, goes straight to the dining area. So spacious siya. Let's have a quick glance at the dirty kitchen. So may dirty kitchen dito, may storage, maid's room. Then from the maid's room, we have an access going to the backyard. Then from the maid's room or from the dirty kitchen, meron din pong extension or maybe call it parang lanay where you can have also your meal dito. Mas masarap dito, mahangin. Bukod sa dining area sa loob. So ito po. Balik po tayo sa loob to check the second floor. I like this part of the house kasi may high ceiling siya. Ito yung part na where you can find the dining area actually. Then, may high ceiling. Ganda, unique design. Then, going to the second floor, pakita ko lang sa inyo na yung space ng hagdan, meron siyang enough space para ipanik yung mga gamit or anything na pwede nyo i-access sa second floor. So, let's see. Nandito na po tayo sa second floor and pag-akit nyo pa lang, makikita nyo po agad itong spacious family area. And then, in the second floor, meron po tayong 1, 2, 3 bedrooms. Let's go first here. So, this is the room number 1 with no toilet and bath. So, pero may cabinet naman siya. So, let's go to the second room. And then, mapapansin din po natin, no, may enough ventilation siya. May window rito and may window rin sa taas na dalawa. So, let's go to the second room. But before we go to the second room, check muna natin to kung ano to. This is a common toilet and bath para sa tatlong room. So, check natin itong pangalawang room. Okay din yung height ng ceiling, mga 3 meters ito. With air condition. Then let's check the third room. Oh, I like this third room. Meron siyang ventilation, meron siyang natural light. Anyway, actually, kahit naman yung family area, may mga natural light. Pero gusto ko yung design nitong third room. Ganda. Punta naman tayo sa check naman natin yung exterior o yung labas ng bahay para ma-check natin yung kung gaano kaganda ang mga greeneries and space. So nandito po tayo ngayon sa labas ng bahay where you can see the trees, may santol, merong langka. Actually, on the side of this house, may langka po tayong nakikita. And then, at iba't iba pang mga puno at halaman. So, what I like about this house is that if you're looking for a farmhouse na may relaxing na bahay, na greeneries, ito po ay para sa inyo. Sa halagang 30M, not bad. And malapit po sa lahat. Take note, malapit po ito sa Tagaytay with Tagaytay weather. Malapit po sa palengke, sa hospital, at other commercial facilities. Ito ay mayroon 2,450 square meter na lot area, 300 square meter floor area, 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath with ample parking space. Kung gusto niyo po magpa-schedule to view this house, just contact our number below. And don't forget also to like, share, and subscribe to our video channel para ma-update po kayo sa mga susunod pa po namin properties. And sa mga property owner po na gusto nyo pong i-showcase or i-present namin ang property nyo sa aming YouTube channel, you can also contact us. Thank you and goodbye.